When we go to push the air water syringe button, the water button, we're getting kind of a spurting. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of like there's air and there's water mixed in there. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and take off this cover right here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this off right here, and then I'm gonna pull this part out. It's gonna create a gap there. Now I'm gonna take this and slide that in to kind of keep that from bugging me. So this is a pretty good example of why these suck. So what you can see here is you can see evidence of cracking and evidence of leaking. All right. Whoa. Oh my gosh, what a pain in the butt. Now, this is their little design here. See, it's got these little O-rings in it that leak. And it's just this whole little trashy thing. So here's what I'm gonna do. First of all, this DCI unit, you can kind of tell what goes where, because like here, the blue tube is on the inboard side. And so that one connects to the red tube, okay? So it's like there's two holes. One goes down and over, and then the back one goes down and over. There's room for it to put a gauge on it, but we're not gonna put a gauge on this one. So what we're gonna do is I need to change this large tube to a barb, and then I'm gonna take this clamp off of here, pull this tube off, and now. So the lower one is gonna be where the water goes in, which is gonna match up with the red. I'm going to use a tack puller to tack pull off the lower line. Okay, and I'm going to shove that on, like so. And I'm going to try not to pull too much on everything. And then show you guys. So that's the red is on there now. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the green and yellow, which is our air pressure. Now all I need to do is orient everything correctly. Now we'll see these screws should go in like so. And then those screws are going to align with the holes that are on the top of the bottle, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and then cut this for the bottle. Okay, now this manifold comes with a gasket. So we'll just go ahead and spin that on there like so. Okay, and now it's going to turn the unit on. Okay, and that's very nice and smooth. There's no air in there at all.